Okay, so we're going to do long division, but this time we're going to not end up with a whole number on the top like we did on the last problem. That was a video before of 42 divided by 3. So we're going to go through the same process. Now here we have 73 divided by 5. So I've set up my long division. It's right in the format it needs to be. And now I'm going to say, how many times can I put 5 into 7? So basically, I want to know what times 5 will give me 7. Well, nothing times 5, no whole number times 5 will give me 7. So I'm going to go as close as I can. So 1 times 5 will give me 5. So I'm going to put my 1 up here, and 1 times 5 will give me 5. So I write it here. And then I'm going to subtract, and 7 minus 5 gives me 2. So now I'm going to bring down my 3, and now I have 23 here. So now I'm going to say, how many times does 5 go into 23? Well, it doesn't perfectly go into 23 with a whole number, so let's get close, and we know that 4 times 5 will give me 20. So I put 20 here because I did 4 times 5, and that gives me 20. I'm going to subtract, and I end up with 3. Now, I can't just leave it as this because I need to do something with my remainder. That's what we call the leftover number if it's not 0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 3 divided by 5. And when I do 3 divided by 5, I can actually type that right into my calculator, or I can do it in my head, and I can do 3/5, which I know will give me 0.6. So that becomes my answer up here, 0.6. So my answer would be 14.6. And a good way to check this is to type it into your calculator. And if you do 73 divided by 5, you will indeed get 14.6.